Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today we're on the road in rural eastern St. Thomas, and we're about to see Waynie.
Yeah.
I've been doing some work on Waynie's phone.
Yeah.
Last couple days. What I need to do today, Waynie?
I don't know. Did you fix your line at the party?
I put, huh?
The WhatsApp, the WhatsApp call and the...
Oh, the WhatsApp call wouldn't work?
No, and the
Oh, I tested the WhatsApp. I did the regular call. I tested that. It works.
the WhatsApp now work and
The voicemail works.
voicemail.
Yeah. Yeah.
Text message, the text one not working, the voice.
You mean like when you do a little voice, like when you want to record a voice to send?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean. And it's windy.
And the text, when you send it by the call on the WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I was just checking your regular phone because I'd already tested that other. I thought it worked.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, you got to be the cameraman.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay, you see my picture in there?
Yeah.
Just keep my picture in there. That's all you got to do.
Alright.
And you can turn around and look at yourself too. See?
Yeah.
See, watch.
When we're ready, you know?
Look at yourself too.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Matt,
And the Tony last.
he's my official cameraman now.
Yeah.
You can turn it any way you want.
Alright.
Okay, so I didn't even bring my glasses. I thought I had it fixed.
Yeah, man.
I may have to go up and get my glasses. So you're saying,
What you me did tell me this, yeah.
so when I go into WhatsApp,
Yeah, and try to make the call, it's coming off, right?
try to make a call.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me make a call here. Can't voice call.
And the voice call.
Start voice call. So I start voice call.
Yeah.
Just to call, allow WhatsApp access to your, so
Yeah.
I allow it to settings. Oh, I understand. I didn't allow all these settings. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, man, I help on the house last night on the film them at Kingston.
Huh?
And the dog. The dog, we had to tell Mad, say afraid.
I gotta get my glasses.
Yeah.
Let's go down to my house.
Say afraid of the dog.
Yeah?
Yeah, but me not get to watch it out.
Oh, you watched the one where I was afraid of the dog?
Yeah, man, I watch. Afraid of the dog and I watch it out.
Those dogs, they're fierce.
Yeah, man, I say one of them house to me that want, you know?
Did you see the one with no tail?
Yeah, man, the one else. And him now, say, some man just said to you, say now, say, him now no tail, so you don't know if him body or him good. And that man just said to you, you know, if him body or him good, cause
What are the chances?
that one of them on tail. Last time I watch one day, you know. And the house, me I tell you, say, man. And the road, you go up on the like a back piece of road, like, you know. And turn off, but one watch it, Saki, how much?
Oh, you okay? You keep down there. I need my glasses. I gotta fix something else. Wayne's the cameraman.
Yeah, man. We had the town video today, you know. Video town today, I video the place. You see all the breadfruit tree them. Yeah. Yeah, run a wire this way, you know. Yeah, man. Place well nice. The greenery, you know. Well green. Banana, coconut. Yeah?
Nowhere.
Pops. Yeah. See, come on, Buck. Yeah.
He's taking nice
Much
pictures of the
fun.
scenery.
Yeah. Much up on the top there.
This is all going on YouTube.
For Kiwa. Yeah. Yes, a Vivian resident there. For Kiwa up there, you know.
This is all going on
I'm
YouTube
coming
straight,
back
Wayne.
here. Yeah.
It's all going on there straight.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's windy though. That's okay. Here. Here, keep running that.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. I'll put it.
All right. Let me get over here in the shade.
Yeah, put the aquarium in this. A tree there now, I'm not make no call, you know. Tree there now, time. I have some more after I fix it today, some next number I forget to collect. What they get messed up in the next phone. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going through the list here, getting you all set up, man.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't.
I mean, want to call some people now to get back some number fresh from the one where them rub off, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like where them clean off.
Oh, where the name was gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw where you had some of those.
Then they on the normal still. But some of them now on the name, then just number alone.
Okay, it's gonna do, let you do everything now.
Yeah.
No permissions denied. You're gonna be able to
Yeah, I want
run the gamut here.
I want key if you come put
All
in
right,
me.
let's see here. Let's try it now.
Yeah.
Let's call Miss Madge.
Yeah.
Let's call Miss Madge. Here.
Imagine.
Let's call. Here. Let's go Miss Madge.
Yeah.
Call. Start voice call. Call.
Yes, Miss Marge, you know.
Wait, we're gonna piss her off here.
Hello, Miss Marge, what's up? You're back from Kingston yet? Yeah, you're down here looking about some hockey for you, you know. Alright, look more then, alright, yeah. Big up. Yeah.
I guess it's working now.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, I see what I didn't set up.
That's the way it is.
I set it up, but no permissions. Now,
put on permission.
when I added your Facebook,
Yeah.
and I also added Facebook Messenger,
Yeah.
but I didn't know your login or anything. So you have to set it up.
So what me have to do now, time I make the call them now, me have to put it on. Alright, sit here now. This ready. And then you have to go this down and start them. You see? Alright, look now.
Yeah.
This one ready. I know if you do it now, man. Because the one I see it top liquor. That's ready.
That's working all? You're going to call all your friends. They're going to be calling you back. Your phone's going to be ringing off the hook this morning.
Because me have to, yes.
They're going to see you keep calling everybody.
Yes, yeah.
So it seems like it's working?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to try it.
I think if it works on one, it's going to work on all of them.
Yeah. Device. No, it's... I don't know what this one is still ringing now.
Huh?
That's one of them are ringing now. One of them are ringing now.
No.
One of them lost the call. If I'm not going to lock off. It's something I worked on.
Which one not working? Tell me.
Hold on. Some of the phone are ring buttons. Alright, the voice note not working. Alright, lock the strip that I come like one phone I ring just you can. Most one of them are working.
So who's not working? Show me again.
See if it's not working.
So you want to tell me what you want to do, and
No,
let me
like,
push it.
sit here now. Alright, you want to make a voice note call. The voice note it's not working.
Oh.
Alright.
Cannot record voice messages. Oh, but that's because you're doing a call.
Oh, true that me I say come like it a ring. You know your phone a ring, me I tell you.
There, now it's working.
I lock off the one. You lock off the phone and a ring.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't find it, yeah.
Yeah, somebody was calling you.
Oh, I see.
They were calling you back because you called them. You were calling everybody. So he was calling you back.
I was going to say. right now. We already
You
know.
see?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Try boy called a mismatch.
So, me call say make it sound somebody.
You know,
I call on
this is going to be our video for the day because I spent quite a bit of time yesterday because
yeah, man.
the most, some things are more important than posting a video every day. And I hope my viewers and subscribers realize that because I got to help my friend Wayne out.
Yes.
Because, he relies on his phone.
Yes, and
Because... Huh?
May I say two of them and you have to fix up back one.
I had it. And then I couldn't get WhatsApp to work. I found out WhatsApp was down worldwide. And that's why I couldn't make it work. And then I began to think, maybe WhatsApp went down because of me.
Yeah, so we have to go to know. Start getting back the number them now.
Yeah, you got to put the names in because... Yeah, but if you always use that same Google account now, we'll be able to retrieve them if you ever get a different phone. So. All right, bless up, buddy. Glad we got you going.
All right. Go up. You want to line it up for me, no?
Yeah. All right. Waynie's out and about. He got business to take care of. So before I was out of bed this morning, Waynie was at the gate with his phone and said, nothing's working right. And when I looked at it, it was for true. Nothing was working right. So I got on it and got it fixed. And by the time I came down on the road with my camera to go see Waynie, he was coming down the road. But he really relies on this. So, and I'd encourage any of you to go over, there's a video about Waynie when we were doing a fundraiser at the end of last year. Go watch that. That fundraiser's still open. If anybody's interested in giving a little something to help out Waynie, he really would appreciate it. So I think if you look for the hashtag #HopeForWayne, you'll find those videos about him. So, and you can go on GoFundMe too. So I'm not trying to raise money for that right now. I'm just, bringing that up because some people, might see this video and say, hey, how can I help Waynie out? You're helping Waynie out. How can I help Waynie out? So that's how you can do it. So anyway, viewers and subscribers, I have no idea what kind of cameraman Waynie is, if I got to take him on every trip or if I need to have Miss Madge and myself do it. So anyway, bless up yourself. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe to Red Button Journal. Big up, bless up. Love y'all. Later.